Hey, this is your girl Chanel, and today we are reviewing the do. No, not the hairdo, even though it looks fabulous. But this is the review of Dewdrops by Glow Recipe. They have a ton of amazing products, but this is their Watermelon Glow. Let's unbox this bad girl and see what she has. Wow, look how cute that bottle is, right? It's like a pink tear of joy. So let's start off with all the pros of this product, okay? So this evens out the skin tone. It helps reduce the appearance of dark circles. It soothes skin. It brightens dullness. It minimizes the appearance of pores so your face doesn't look like crevices on the moon, right? It also supports the skin barrier. It has neon ceramide, which boosts collagen production to improve the skin texture, which include fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a nice glow. And who doesn't want to glow? Well, not in the dark. That needs attention. This product contains watermelon extract, which provides vitamin A, C, and amino acids. So let's go over the cons. Now, cons. Listen, this may irritate people that have a sensitive skin or nose. For me, I have both. It really didn't do that effect for me, but I can see how it is. So it's a case-by-case basis. The other thing is glowiness. I don't even think that's a word. What I mean by that is if you have dry skin, it may give you a glow like you're coming down from the heavens. But if your skin is as oily as Exxon, you may look even shinier. But not to the point where people can see the reflection of your face. Dewdrops by Glow Recipe. For me, it's a must-have. You know, the pros outweigh the cons. One of the few products that really help improve your skin, for my opinion, definitely deserves to be in your cart and on the way to your home.